In the midst of noise and endless motion, there exists a quiet space within you, a place untouched by the rush, unshaken by the storms around you, a place of stillness waiting to be found. The world may swirl in chaos with demands, expectations, and distractions. But you are not the chaos. You are the stillness watching it all unfold. You don't need silence around you to feel peace. Peace is not the absence of chaos. It is the presence of clarity in your heart. Breathe in slowly. Feel the moment return to you. Let every breath anchor you back to the now. This is your power. Inhale peace. Exhale what no longer serves you. Let each breath become a gentle anchor, reminding you that you are here, now. Not in the storm, but in the eye of it. Calm and present. Storms may come. The world may shake. But you are not the storm. You are the calm watching it pass. It is not the absence of chaos that brings peace. It is your response, your awareness, your choice to pause, to return to your center, to listen to the silence beneath the noise. In the quiet, you remember who you are, not what the world expects of you. You are stronger than the whirlwind. You are wiser than the confusion. And every moment you choose stillness, you reclaim your power. The chaos outside may never end, but the peace inside you, that is infinite, unshaken, and always available, when you choose to listen. So when life becomes too loud, when everything pulls at your attention, remember this. Peace is not a destination. It is a decision. You can choose calm. You can carry it with you through the busiest days, the heaviest thoughts, the hardest hours. And in choosing calm, you light the way for others. You show them it is possible to remain grounded, to remain kind, to remain whole, even in the chaos.